Hi there. My name is Jess from AI Insight, and welcome to this video on what the future of AI brings. Artificial intelligence has been a rapidly growing field in recent years and has already begun to change the way we live and work. In this video, we will explore the potential of AI and how it will shape our future. We will also discuss the ethical considerations that come with the implementation of AI in our society. AI in industries. AI is already being used in a variety of industries, from healthcare to finance. In the future, AI will continue to revolutionize these industries, making them more efficient and effective. For example, AI can be used to optimize supply chains, improve patient outcomes, and detect fraud. It can also be used in manufacturing to improve quality control and increase productivity. However, it is important to consider the potential job displacement that may occur as a result of increased automation in the industry. This can be mitigated by retraining and upskilling the workforce for roles that involve working with AI. AI in transportation. AI is also being used in the transportation industry, from self-driving cars to drones. This technology has the potential to reduce accidents and make transportation more efficient. In the future, AI-powered transportation will become more prevalent, changing the way we move around. It can also be used for traffic management and reduce congestion on the roads. However, there are ethical concerns surrounding the use of AI in transportation, such as the potential for accidents caused by malfunctioning technology. This can be mitigated by implementing robust safety measures and testing protocols for AI systems used in transportation. AI in education. AI has the potential to revolutionize education as well. AI-powered tutors can personalize learning experiences for students, making education more effective. In the future, AI will be used to create more engaging and interactive learning experiences. It can also be used for assessment and evaluation, providing more accurate and efficient feedback for students. However, it is important to consider the potential for AI to reinforce biases and discrimination in education. To mitigate this, it is crucial to ensure that AI systems are trained on diverse and inclusive datasets, and that ethical guidelines are in place to address any potential biases in the technology. AI in society. AI has the potential to change society in many ways. It can be used to create more efficient and effective systems, from healthcare to government. However, it is important to note that AI also raises ethical concerns, such as job displacement, privacy, and security. It is crucial to establish ethical guidelines and regulations for the development and deployment of AI to ensure that it benefits all members of society. This can include measures such as transparency, explainability, and accountability in the development and deployment of AI systems. In conclusion, AI has the potential to change the way we live and work in many ways. From industry to transportation, education to society, AI has the potential to make our world more efficient and effective. However, it is important to consider the ethical implications of AI and how to mitigate potential negative impacts. We must also ensure that the benefits of AI are equitably distributed among all members of society. By understanding the potential of AI and addressing ethical considerations, we can ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a responsible and beneficial manner. That's it for me. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, make sure to hit the like button and comment on what you would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to see content like this every week. Have a great day. Jess, out.